Unraveling the Intricacies, Collocations versus Idioms. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a truly fascinating aspect of English language learning: understanding the difference between collocations and idioms. In this journey, we'll unmask the true meaning of these terms and learn how to use them correctly in our everyday language. So, buckle up and let's get started. First off, what is a collocation? In simple terms, collocations are words that often go together, forming a somewhat predictable pattern. It's not about grammar rules but rather about how English speakers naturally use language. An example could be, fast food, or brush your teeth. Fast and food often go together, as do brush and your teeth. They may not make sense when translated word for word into another language, but to a native English speaker, they sound just right. Now, let's talk about idioms. An idiom is a group of words whose meaning is not directly understandable from the individual words. In other words, idioms have figurative meanings that are different from their literal meanings. Think of phrases like, break a leg, or, the ball is in your court. If you're not familiar with English idioms, you might wonder why someone wants you to break your leg, but in reality, it's a way to wish someone good luck. So, what's the difference between these two? The key difference is that collocations are more predictable and literal, whereas idioms are more figurative and unique. For instance, make a decision is a collocation. The words go together naturally, and the meaning is quite literal. Conversely, kick the bucket, an idiom, has nothing to do with kicking or buckets. It means to die. So, if you try to translate it word for word into another language, the meaning would likely be lost. The understanding of these concepts can enhance your language proficiency and help you sound more like a native speaker, so make sure to practice them regularly. That's it for today's journey into the world of collocations and idioms. I hope this has helped you understand the difference between these two fascinating aspects of the English language. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep enjoying the learning process. We'll meet again in our next video. Until then, happy learning!